Welcome to TaxBandits, an IRS-authorized, compliance-driven e-file solution. Form 7004 is used by businesses to request an automatic extension of time to file certain federal business income tax returns. Filing Form 7004 grants an automatic 6-month extension to file your return. However, it does not extend the time to pay any taxes owed. Any estimated tax due must still be paid by the original filing deadline to avoid penalties and interest. TaxBandits simplifies the entire extension filing process with an intuitive extension hub, built-in error checks, bulk upload options, and real-time status tracking. To file an extension, log into your TaxBandits account. From the main dashboard, click Start New Form, then select Start Filing for Form 7004. Next, select the business which you want to file an extension or add a new one by clicking Add New Business. Provide the required business details including legal business name, employer identification number, business address, and entity type. After selecting or adding the business, click Continue. Part 1 requires you to choose the appropriate tax return for which you are requesting the extension. Common return types include Form 1120, Form 1120S, and Form 1065. Make sure the return type matches your business structure. Part 2 gathers additional filing qualifications that may apply to your business. All filers must review this part and check the applicable boxes if relevant. Most domestic businesses that are not part of a consolidated group and do not fall under special foreign filing rules will leave these boxes unchecked. However, it's important to carefully review each option to ensure accurate extension eligibility and compliance. Then select if your accounting period runs on a calendar or fiscal tax year. Provide the applicable tax year information and enter total tax liability for the year, total payments and credits, balance due if any, and the business's IRS payment option, whether electronic funds withdrawal or EFTPS. Accurately estimating your tax liability is important to minimize penalties and interest. When finished, click Save and Continue. On the summary page, carefully review all entered information. Click File for this business to run the built-in audit check. TaxBandits will automatically identify missing fields, formatting errors, or inconsistencies. If any issues are flagged, correct them before proceeding. After resolving any errors, click Continue Filing. Finally, to complete your order, review and acknowledge the credit card usage authorization. When authorization is confirmed, click Pay and Transmit to submit payment and transmit your form. Once transmitted, you can monitor the status of your extension from your TaxBandits dashboard. With TaxBandits, you can file Form 7004 quickly, securely, and accurately.